Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a quick video. It is going to be testing out this new Rimmel Wonder Wing Liner. It is supposed to be like a stamp. Let me put my glasses on and I'll read you what it says. It says Rimmel Wonder Wing Liner. It says stamp applicator for perfect wings. And that's all it says. Lasts all day and night. Felt tip stamp applicator. So we're gonna give it a shot. I have already push lined my eyes because I always do that before I put on any kind of liner like this. So I've already done that. So this is gonna be a quick video because it's either good or it's not. I hope it's good. It sounds good. Hopefully I don't have to, it's easier to line up and stuff. Doesn't feel very liquidy. It's got a strange little top. Can you see it? How it's... Okay, we're going in. And I'm just going to stamp just like I always do. Remember to keep your chin down. Line it up. Stamp, line it up, stamp, pretty good, it's a little high. I don't know, it looks pretty good. I'm probably messing it up the more I try. Okay, so I've got the stamp on there 3 times. And then I guess you're supposed to go in with this and basically do everything I already told you how to do. Okay, I'm not loving the formula of the actual liner, or maybe there's just not enough on here. So far. We'll see. So yeah, I can see where I stamped twice. Don't do that. But hopefully it cleans up easily. Because I am liking the stamp. Just don't stamp 3 times like I did. What have I done? Alright, I just need to clean up the outside. Okay guys, what do you think? I like it. I think it's good. I would mind, and the formula is not as bad as I thought it was at first. It just took a few minutes for it to fill up more. And this side still, just where I cleaned it up though, that's what happens when you start adding That's what happens when you start adding makeup remover to your plan. But I like it. I think it works good. Especially for us wrinkly people. So, that's it for this video. I'm going to go put on my lashes and it'll be a great day. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!